Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI. Do you want to grow some delicious strawberries or wonderful fresh herbs but have a small space? Then check out this vertical garden from Mr.Stacky. I absolutely love it and it has so much space. I use this for our strawberries this year, and as you can see, they're growing wonderfully. This vertical garden has 3 different layers, and in each layer there's 4 spots that you can plant any type of plant that you want. So specifically, again, I use this for strawberries. You could have up to 12 strawberry plants or 12 herbs or whatever you're using it for. So there's so much room for growth. And I also love that it has a drainage hole in the top, so when you are watering it, you can just water from the top and the water just flows down really nicely. It has a drip tray on the bottom, so it catches all the excess water. We got the nice neutral gray color, but it does come in other colors too. It was really easy to put together. The layers just stack right on top of one another. So if you're looking for a vertical garden for any of your gardening needs, just check out this one from Mr.Stacky. It's perfect for me, but that's just my point of view.